on dreaming. Don't stop believing. Be careful! Good afternoon, guys. How are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. We are starting to vlog quite late today. That's because I have been like busy in the morning. I went to the city to get some grocery. I'm gonna give you guys a grocery haul later on. After that, I needed to go to a hardware here near the area because I need to order some of the materials that is needed for Razel's house that has been burned down. And again, I want to thank each and every one of you for extending your help. Currently, I am gonna try to cook our lunch. So for our lunch today, guys, we're gonna be having some tuna with egg. I'll just transfer this to a bowl. I'm also gonna show you where did I put the fire extinguisher, by the way. Here it is. Some of you guys told me where to put it, and yes, I put it here in the back door because it is very accessible and the children cannot reach it. There it is. And I know that a lot of you guys are telling me to get another one to put in the room just in case, and another one in the terrace. That's like a lot of fire extinguisher already, but I think I'm gonna try to get one for the room so that we don't need to like run here if there's like fire. I got a lot of stuff. These are pretty much grocery. I ran out of grocery already, so it's time to restock. I'm gonna give you guys a quick grocery haul. We're just gonna run through all of the stuff that I got. So the very first thing that I got is this. Okay, this is not for me. This is for Scarlett. This is for you.
Thank you, Tita.
Welcome! 2 sliced bread. We have here some seeds. Seeds for the pechay, sweet corn, string beans, and then eggplant. We're gonna be working on this in the next few days. Dried fish, pancit canton, the chopped vegetables that is ready to cook. Oh my gosh! We have macaroni salad.
Thank you, Tita.
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Trash bag, coffee. This is for my sister. Some green tea and lemon. This is for me. Pain reliever. This is medical advance. This is what I would usually take whenever I have like any pain, headache, or whatsoever. Some biscuits, apple, butter, oil, cotton, toothpaste, milk. This is for Scarlett.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tita.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Almond milk. This is what I'm so excited. This is one thing that I really miss when I'm in the city. It's kimchi. Sukang pinakurat. This is like a spicy vinegar. Dutch meal.
Thank you, Tita.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is my favorite drink, Mogo Mogo. Some garlic, sugar, white one, and then I have brown sugar, honey. Honey is like very expensive here. I don't know why, but this little one is like $6 US. Baby wipes.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Tita.
Another trash bag. This is medium size. Coffee for Papa. Growy vitamins for Scarlett.
Thank you, Tita. Thank you, YouTube.
Vinegar, century tuna, the ice pop,
Thank you, YouTube. Like and like. Bye-bye.
Stick O, fabric conditioner, baby powder,
Thank you, Tita.
baby flow,
Thank you, Tita.
off lotion,
Thank you, Tita.
brush, tempura, hot dog, chicken nuggets. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Everything costs 4,500 peso, which is about almost $100 US. Hello everyone. So right now we're gonna head to Razel's house and see what is popping in there. Okay, so look at these kids, guys. They are actually helping rebuilding Razel's house. These are Razel's nephew and niece. Look, they are trying to bring the sand to Razel's house, which is over there, because the truck cannot go inside. So they have to like put it in this little sack, and then they're gonna go there. We have Nicole, then we have John Mark, and we have Carlo, and we have Saika. She's also helping. Good job, guys. Good job. Papa is trying to put more. So yeah, these kids, let's go. That's actually pretty heavy, to be honest. But yeah, they are helping. Thank you for helping. We have Saika over here. You okay, Saika? Are you okay? And then, yeah, there they are. Good job, kids. Good job. You're doing a good job. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have here the angle bars. They have put red lid in it so that, you know, it wouldn't go rusty. And we have here the corrugated roof, and then more. I think that's another metal over there. So, good job, kids. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay, so some people are working on the house right now. And we have here like this. And sand. Razzle's mom. Tada! Resibo.
Kano sa anak ko na nila karon?
Karon man siguro. And then here we have some people working on it. There it is. Now we're gonna do some biking. Scarlett is gonna follow me.
Bike!
Ready? Go!
Go!
Again.
Yeah!
One.
One!
Pandita.
Dagpalita.
Dagpan ko? Oh, wala po kita. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Pa.
Go!
Hey.
Hey! Go!
Okay, mom is gonna try the bike. She knows how to drive a motorbike, so. Oh my god, it's gonna break. Dali. Mommy. Unsa ka man?
Dapat mo break baya ka anak. Oh my gosh. Are you scared?
Wala ko na gunit ha. Oh, wala kay ganagunit eh.
Oh my gosh. Oh God. Oh, skirt. Be careful. Ay! Be careful.
Oh my god. Be careful. No, tawa. Be careful. Hey, hoy. Ay! Ano nang patay tanan ni Ali be? Hilay ah.
Puro lagi piwi mo.
This is Razzle's nephew. He is the only one that knows how to bike here for all of the kids. It's a biking session today, guys, this afternoon.
Bike ra eh.
Scarlett, where are you going?
Hoy.
Hoy, no, no. One, two, three, go! Gay, go! Gay, push! My sister is still trying to she's still trying to learn how to cycle. Gi, tindak! Tindak! Gi! Tindak! Gi, kana! Come on! Gi! Tindak! And suddenly mom forgot how to bike. Oh! She doesn't even know how to put the stand on. Si mommy. Anak, lola. There. There you go. Now, hi guys. Hi sa baha, vlog tita ha. Hey everyone, I just arrived from the city. I went to Mandawi Foam and Cebu Home Builders to get a few stuff. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys a few things. No. Okay, so the first thing that I got is from Mandawi Foam. I wanted to get this. This is a wall shelf. I have been wanting to get it for the kitchen so that the kitchen would look a bit nicer. This shelf is called Kylo Wall Shelf, and this is in a color oak, and one piece of this shelf cost me 190 pesos. So I got, I think, 8 pieces of these. I'm gonna put this in the kitchen and in my room as well. And as you guys can see in the background, my sister and brother-in-law is currently trying to put the bracket. Can you give me the bracket, Scarlett? Like, bracket di ka to. Ano? One. No. Nani ba? Kato ba? Kana. Go, give kita. Tara. And then we have here the bracket. So this bracket is gonna hold the shelf. I got 16 of these. And I forgot how much is this, guys. But in total, well, aside from that, I also got 2 pillows with my favorite color, yellow. This is the color of the year, so that's why I got this. Hi! And then the next one is I have another pillow over here that says dreaming. Yes, keep on dreaming, don't stop believing. I'm gonna put this like in my bed. So yeah, I got 2. So in total, from Mandawi Foam, guys, I think I have paid about 2,000 peso. I got a discount since I have a card from them. Aside from Mandawi Foam, I also went to Cebu Home Builders, right? And I got this Nuno of 1. So these are the ones that I got from Cebu Home Builders, guys. So we have here like 2 gallons of red lid and then 2 gallons of enamel paint. This is gonna be for the roof. And I also got 2 bottles of thinner. And then the total for this is about 2,000 peso as well. And yeah, I got a discount from them since I got a card. Hello everyone, it is the next day now and I'm about to edit this video and I forgot I was not able to. And I've already put the shelves in the kitchen and it looks cool. And currently there is someone painting the roof. I'm gonna show you guys once it will be finished in the next few days. A lot of you guys have been asking me how much did I really spend for the entire house. I'm gonna be sharing that to you guys real soon because I've already got the last materials that is needed for the house already. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.